aspiring writers. Welcome to My Captain, where we are exploring the world of content writing careers. This is Captain Bhavna for you. With 7+ years of experience in content writing, I have been able to build these learnings for you to become a great content creator. In the past, we have covered the basics of content writing and also discussed 7 types of content writers that exist. If you still don't know which type of content writer you are, then check this video. But today in this episode, we are going to discover more about the world of content. In the last 7 years of my career, a lot of people have asked me this question. What is the difference between copywriting, content writing, and creative writing? A lot of people think that these all are same. But sorry to break it down for you all, these are all 3 different types of writing. In this episode, we will look at it from 5 different lenses. And in the comment section below, you can download the table that tells us about the difference between these 3 types of writing in a simple chart format. The first lens that we need to open up is the fundamentals. Look at these 3 things. First one is an ad, the second one is a blog, and the third one is a video. All these 3 things are written by different people. The first one is copywriting. As its name suggests, it focuses on persuasive and promotional content. It's all about capturing attention and driving action. For example, this newspaper ad or this social media ad, this work is all copywriting. Second is a work of a content writer that aims to inform, educate, and engage the audience through valuable and informative content. And third is what creative writing looks like. It is a playground for your imagination. It includes various forms of storytelling, poetry, and fiction, allowing your creativity to soar. Now let's open the second and the third lens for you, which are the aim and the style. Let's go back to our examples. With this ad, the main aim of the writer is to persuade you, be it in the form of taking an action or just by changing your perception. In terms of style, it is a short form. The style demands the writing to be precise, concise, and to create a powerful impact. And this style is mostly used for slogans, jingles, ad copy, landing page content, etc. Whereas in this blog, the aim here is to inform, answer questions, and educate the audience on their problem. I'm sure the first thing you also do when you're not able to understand anything is either to Google or YouTube it. Even I do the same. The style here is long form. You have to maintain good readability and establish a connection with your reader. This form of writing is more suited for blogs, emails, newsletters, white papers, reports, and ebooks. And lastly, when we look at this video, it is a work of a creative writer. The words are carefully chosen. The characters are established. The main aim here is to evoke a certain emotion within your audience. The style is very artistic. The words are your paintbrush and the paper is your canvas. You can write for videos, short stories, screenplays, movies, songs, etc. Now over to the fourth lens. That is your skills and quality. Each form of writing requires specific skills and qualities. A good copywriter possesses strong persuasion and marketing skills, a keen understanding of human psychology, and the ability to craft compelling messages. Content writers excel in research, organization, and the art of simplifying complex concepts. And whereas creative writers thrive on imagination, storytelling prowess, and the ability to create unique and memorable experiences for their readers. And lastly, now the fifth lens, that is success. From all that I know, it is very important to understand if your writing has the power to shape the world or not. But for everyone, it has different meanings. But how do you measure success? Copywriting success is often measured by conversion rates, sales figures, and the audience response to specific call to action. Content writing's effectiveness is determined by website traffic, engagement metrics, and audience feedback on the value and usefulness of the content. Whereas creative writing, on the other hand, is evaluated through critical acclaim, reader engagement, and the emotional impact it creates. There you have it, the differences between copywriting, content writing, and creative writing. Remember, understanding these distinctions will help you choose the path that aligns with your passion and skills. So, embrace the power of words and keep honing your writing craft. And lastly, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Until next time, keep writing and keep shining.